Guys, what's up? DSR Cuber here, and today I have an unboxing from thecubespecialist.com. So, let's get into it. Right, so let me just, now I'm kind of cutting the box, but that's okay. So, whoops, didn't cut the tape right. I think I did it on that side. I'm just very happy. This was very well packaged, and I've been waiting for this for a long time. Oh, just gotta do that. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard to open? Oh, wow. Not much footage. Just the invoice was in there. So, first let's open up this. I'm pretty sure this is the lube, but, this opens. I kind of ripped it. Oh, nice. So, I guess this is the head for the lube and strainer, so that's nice. Oh, Submaru lube. The HPCR. And I don't know what this is. And that's all for this envelope. I'm trying to go through this fast since my iPad is running out of memory. This is the stickers I used. This is nice. So, in here, these are some of the stickers. Sub XX stickers, half bright Moyu Oolong, 57mm. Sub XX stickers, Moyu Oolong, 57. Sub XX Promo Pack. That's very nice of them. But some transfer tape. I didn't know that they would send it. And Moyu Lingpo stickers. Some Sub XX stickers. And yeah, that's all for this video. See you guys next time.